introduce myself. My name is Wan Muhammad Azad. And my teammate name is Faris Firdaus. And then this is Ayman Amrul. And this is Azim bin Azhan. We are from group school and community category. And this product is a $3. And our group name is IFA.
Okay, before we jump into our product, I would like to describe a little about our problem. Our problem is involving the damage cases or damage dollar cases in hotel that caused by some several factors such as here and wear of the material in the Indian dollar. But we have found out that the most obvious factor that cause damage to the dollar is caused by the student themselves. For example, when students left their key in their home, they tend to pick the lock instead of requesting backup key from the admin's unit, and this will cause damage to the unique component of the dollar. And this problem also require high cost to unpair the dollar, and based on our research, almost 10% of the maintenance cost in college involving only and changing the dollar in the college. So this will affect a lot to our college maintenance unit, and this will reduce our budget in other planning. So we have this product in order to solve our problem about the damage dollar.
So, I will explain to you why we choose pin code dollar rather than other methods such as RFID and fingerprint sensor. So, for the RFID, we know that for RFID to function, we need a card to scan and to unlock the door. So, it doesn't solve our main problem because what's the difference when we are using RFID card and key? If the RFID card is gone missing, so what way can we use to open the door? For the fingerprint sensor, we don't use this method because it's too expensive to scan our fingerprint, and it drains too much energy. I will demonstrate how we works.
How it works?
Yes. So we need the first group that is 4, 5, 4, 5. 4, 5, 4, 5, and 10.
So that's kind of
So ada 4, 5 setting only. And then close. So what if the people inside want to go outside? So let's go right. So there's button to unlock the door from inside for the people to go outside. Let's see. So you can save up to 5,050 code for all the students and our
Okay, for the next one, I will explain about, as you can see, our product. There's several things in our product, such as handle, printer, and solar. So, first of all, I will explain about the handle. So, this is basically just the prototype of our product. So, we use 3D print for our handle. The actual product, we will be using material stainless steel. So, when we use stainless steel, okay, as you can see, picture in stage 2, we have done research and laboratory experiment on several materials such as iron, stainless steel, copper, zinc, and aluminum. And we have found that stainless steel is the longest material that takes time to rust. Okay, for the pin code, we use pin code system of lock because to solve the problem that students forgot to bring their keys. Okay, the next one is for the solar. We use solar panel to charge the battery inside. If we open this product, okay, as you can see, we use battery inside our product. Why we use battery? First of all, because we don't want to consume the electricity from building because it may charge more. So we use battery and then we use solar to recharge the battery. We use a rechargeable battery.
Okay, last, this product is solve our main problem, and that's and this model is 1-to-1 ratio to the real product. Okay, that's all for us. Thank you.
Alright, that's awesome. Have you ever lost your keys or didn't bring your keys from home and you couldn't get them home? So now this could be a solution, right? Using some sort of like computer science coding to help solve the issues, and also the renewable energy using solar cell, right? To use the solar energy as well. Very interesting, and thank you so much for the team from Malaysia. Thank you for your presentation.
Thank you.
When you answer the question, if I say to you, what did you enjoy? Don't just say fish and chips. Say, I enjoyed fish and chips.
I enjoyed.
I enjoyed. So, full sentences. Okay? So,
I enjoyed.
and look at me. Okay, don't look at the camera.
Oh.
Look at me. Okay? So, first of all, what did you like about doing the project?
I liked doing the project to know how to solve the real problem. For example, my problem is facing a doorknob problem in my college. So I can know how to solve the real problem with critical thinking skills that I develop in this program.
Okay, thank you. What did you like about doing the project?
Okay, for me, what I like doing the project is I like about the teamwork. We get to know each other very well, and the teamwork we have done, we build bond together.
Okay. What did you like about doing the project?
What I like doing this project is we can see we can explore more about the technology world, and we can see real life problem, and I can increase my understanding in solving real life problem. Thank you.
So what I like about our project is because I can gain more experience for me to use in the future. Because other than that, I'm also like to gain knowledge such as mechanical, electrical, and physical knowledge that I apply in our project. And then it also increase my skill, my hand-on skill in this project.
Maybe close the door. Thank you. Yeah. Excuse me, sorry. Tell me, what skills did you develop?
A lot of skill. For example, the more skill that I develop is my programming skill. I learn programming Arduino in this project. Totally, I learn myself by using website. Then I do some research for programming. So my programming skills on Arduino using C++ language is increased.
Okay, for me, my part in my team is I'm the editor, so I learn a lot of editing skills, such as using editing software, because I make the posters for our team. I edit the 5-minute videos for our team, and I gain a lot of knowledge in editing skills.
One of the skill that I gained throughout this project is able to write up more information, and I can give more detail about what I am doing, and I also learned that we must provide proof for all our research.
For my part, in this project, I'm the one who do the wiring in our project. I gain more skill to like soldering the wire and make choose the best material or for our mock-up product. And then I also learn. It also increase my English pronouns in the when making the video. Making the video.
Okay, so what will you take away from doing this project? What have you really developed as a result of doing the project? What will you take away?
To be honest, I gain more confidence to represent myself and my product to others. This is call it as confidence skills, and this makes me more confident to communicating to others, so that I can give inputs to others clearly.
For me, my English improves a lot, such as for the grammar, pronunciation, because we need to do a lot of interview. We have done interview with our college director like 2 times, and then it improved my English so much.
For me, I think the most benefit that I get is the time management. It show us that time management is very important, so that we can waste our time doing unnecessary things. Thank you.
What I learned in the end of this project is I gain more confidence to talk to the public, and I also improve my English on the pronouns, verb, and grammar to talk to the public.
Well, thank you very much. Well done. Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really helpful. Thank you. Great. Good. So, Aslan, just very quickly with you, just a couple of questions. Yeah, come and put it in. Okay. What did you like about being involved in the project-based learning course? What was the good things for you?
Actually, for the first time, project-based learning is quite hard to understand. But when we apply the elements or the stages inside the problem-based learning, we know that the student will more understand about the problems and easy to understand about the real situation that they have to solve. Compared to the theoretical or conceptual, the student do not know how to start, do not know how to elaborate, do not know how to solve the problem with the right rules or laws or procedure. But in problem-based learning, we have the stage, we have the rules, we have the procedure that we have to follow to get the solution, the best solution. That means we have to implement the PBL so that the student more successful at the end.
Thank you. So what have been the benefits for you, and what have been the benefits for your students?
Okay, for benefit for me, I have more confidence, okay, in teaching the student, in in learning. Okay, I have a more experience how to tackle, how to trigger the student, and then the benefit for the student is the achievement of the examination, of the proposal, of the assessment is quite higher compared to the other method that we use. So for BBL is truly approved and should be implemented for all the school, because our student had approved. If they have the proof on our student, they have achieved a lot of excellence in examination and assessment. That's all.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. Thank you, Raz.